What's up guys, it's me and welcome back for another video. We are still stuck in quarantine, still can't go out. We want to limit ourselves with the access to the outside world. So while everybody I know is either selling, opening their online business, doing something incredible, finding out their hobbies, I decided to look for recipes that are easy to make for dummies like me so that I could eat. A happy tummy is a happy me. For today's video, we're diving into the sushi bake trend. But instead of doing it in a simple tray, I got inspired by this Try Guys video and I decided to make sushi donut. But I will not be using raw fish. I can't eat raw. I can't eat anything slimy like okra or salmon that's uncooked, even smoked salmon. So this is more like a maki donut than a sushi donut, but I'm still going to call it sushi donut. It's better to say. So without further ado, let's head out to the video. So I have the rice mixture right here. The rice is one teaspoon of apple cider vinegar because we don't have wine vinegar or rice vinegar or whatever vinegar. 1 teaspoon of sugar and then half a teaspoon of salt. I did not make this because I'm scared of ruining the rice. So we have crab stick with cream cheese and Japanese mayo shredded. Also, try to recreate a Philly cheesesteak. It has onion, salt, and pepper. Then I also have furikake on the side, Japanese mayo, and cream cheese in case I want to try to mix things up. I also have this donut mold that I got from Shopee. I hope that the rice doesn't stick and I hope that this ends up okay. So let's start. First off, put a thin layer of oil or butter to grease out your mold. That way it would be easier for you to pop them out. You forgot to do that and headed out to step 2. Layer your mold and sushi rice mixture. Don't forget to press evenly and make sure that the hole is visible and it's not so full so that there's space to add your filling. Then add your filling and spread evenly throughout the rice so that there's good taste in every bite. Again, press them down because there's still another layer left and we don't want the donut to be way too big to bite. Finally, to finish it off, cover the filling with more rice. Make sure to mold it into a donut when you do. Repeat the same process to the rest of the donut molds and make as many as you like. Quick tip, cut the donut tray into individual molds because it's going to be way too heavy to pick up. Mabigat talaga siya, wag kayong gumaya sa amin. When you prep the ingredients and tools, cut them first before proceeding to oil and put the rice. Now for the fun part, let's try to pop them out. Okay, that's what's going to happen when you don't grease up the mold first. Nasira, kahiya. Pero alam mo na, lagyan mo ng butter or oil yung donut mold para di matulad sa akin. And let's try it again. Bam! Okay, that's nice. Tapos, ayus-ayusin lang ng konti with your wet spoon. Now, it's time to put your artistic skills into action. I am so proud of it. I don't even know if I want to eat it because I'm so proud of how I designed these donuts. I can't make a lot of sushi donuts because it is tiring. It does distract me from the depressing world and whatever is happening. So I had so much fun making these, but we still had a lot of ingredients. I even have extra crab sticks over here and Japanese mayo and seaweed. I ordered too much furikake. So we decided to make the sushi baked. Half of it is Philly cheesesteak, so it's stripped beef. And then the sauce is the Japanese mayo with cream cheese. The other side is mango Kani, somewhat like a California maki without the cucumber. So it's time to eat my know how to eat them or if they would break if I pick them up, but I did cover them with sesame oil so that it doesn't stick to the plate and it's easier to remove from the mold. Okay, I'm going to try the mango Kani. So inside there's crab stick, mangoes on top. It is very heavy. The rice is dense. It's so good. I'm happy. We have every flavor in every bite. Okay, I'm going to try the Philly cheesesteak. Philly cheesesteak. This is a lot fatter, a lot heavier, a lot dense than the Kani because the meat is big. Ooh, it's already breaking. Okay, let me take a bite. I love this even more. This is so good! I'm so happy! This is a mixture of both Kani and the Philly cheesesteak. I did put some seaweed, cut it in triangles and put it on the side so it's easier to handle. It wasn't long enough to cover the bottom, so it's just on the top, but it is easier to handle. I'm so happy. It's so good. That's all I got for you today. I enjoyed making this little recipes. If you have any more ideas on what I should cook, that's easy. And you know, that's easy for people who don't actually really cook. Feel free to comment down below. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and click subscribe if you haven't already. See you in the next video. Bye! I'm going to